Today, we bring you breathtaking and critical news from Iceland. Weeks of intense earthquakes and tremors in the Reykjavik Peninsula, located in the southwest of Iceland, have finally led to a major volcanic eruption. Let's take a closer look at this tremendous force of nature. The Reykjavik Peninsula, located in the southwest of Iceland, had drawn attention in recent weeks due to increased seismic activities. This peninsula is a geologically active region and has hosted numerous volcanic eruptions throughout history. However, such significant activity had not been seen in the past 800 years. Last night, the anticipated volcanic eruption occurred, creating a huge impact both in the scientific community and among the local population. The Reykjavik Peninsula, situated in the middle of the North Atlantic Ocean, is where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates diverge. These tectonic movements are the primary cause of volcanic activity in the region. The mantle layer beneath Iceland is hotter and more molten compared to other areas, allowing magma to easily rise to the surface. This explains why the peninsula is so volcanically active. In recent weeks, seismic activities recorded in the region indicated movement of magma towards the surface. The Icelandic Meteorological Office and other geological observatories registered over 10,000 small to moderate earthquakes on the peninsula. These earthquakes mostly ranged between magnitude 3.0 and 5.0, with some exceeding magnitude 5.0. Scientists noted that these earthquakes were precursors to the volcanic eruption. The volcanic eruption that occurred last night created a large crater on the surface and ejected lava at temperatures around 1,200 degrees Celsius. The volume of erupted lava is estimated to be approximately 100 million cubic meters. These lava flows rapidly engulfed surrounding areas and threatened many settlements. Simultaneously, large amounts of ash and toxic gases were released into the atmosphere. Chief among these gases is sulfur dioxide, SO2, which can cause respiratory problems and inflict serious environmental damage. During the eruption, ash clouds released into the atmosphere spread over a wide area, reaching heights of approximately 10 kilometers. These ash clouds pose a significant threat to the aviation sector. Keflavik International Airport, Iceland's main airport, was closed to flights as a precautionary measure, and many flights to other European airports were cancelled due to the risk of ash clouds reaching them. Scientists use various advanced technologies to monitor and predict such volcanic eruptions. The Icelandic Meteorological Office has established sophisticated seismographic networks to monitor seismic activities in the region. These seismographs can detect even the smallest vibrations in the Earth's crust, allowing scientists to track movements of magma. Additionally, satellite imagery and drone technology enable real-time monitoring of volcanic activities. Satellite images provide detailed observations of the stages leading up to magma reaching the surface and the subsequent lava flows after an eruption. Before the eruption, scientists closely monitored gas emissions. The release of sulfur dioxide and other volcanic gases can indicate an impending eruption. Increases in the concentration of these gases suggest that magma is close to the surface and an eruption is imminent. Volcanic monitoring centers in Iceland use these data to predict when and how intense an eruption might be. The local population living on the Reykjavik Peninsula took various precautions to protect themselves from the effects of the eruption. The Icelandic government evacuated settlements in the region and kept emergency response teams on standby. Lava flows and ash fall resulting from the eruption threaten agricultural areas and water sources. Ash fall can reduce soil fertility and pollute water sources, prompting urgent measures in agriculture and water management. Volcanic eruptions are among nature's most powerful and destructive events. This eruption on the Reykjavik Peninsula will be recorded as a significant event in Iceland's volcanic history. Scientists will continue their efforts to better predict future eruptions by monitoring and analyzing such events. Iceland's unique geological structure provides scientists with natural laboratories to understand volcanic activities and help mitigate the effects of such events. If you're interested in exciting natural events like these and science news, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Until we meet again with more updates, take care of yourselves.